Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with meteorologist Mike Hurd.
High pressure is helping to lift a little bit of warmer air up into the state of Montana as the polar jet stream gets kicked a little higher in latitude. But right behind this ridge is the next weather maker. There's a long cold front and quite a bit of colder air behind it. So it will bring a little bit of wet weather into the forecast by Saturday and quite a bit of cooler air by Sunday. But until then, we got this warm southwest flow and we're expecting some wonderful temperatures over the next 24 hours. Quite a bit of high cloud cover across the state of Montana this evening. It's just not a lot of organized moisture there. So with that little blanket aloft, that could keep our overnight lows up a little bit as well. A stunning weather pattern for tomorrow. But as we stop the forecast model early in the morning hours on Saturday, we'll start to see some increasing snow across that northwest corner of the state. Then the whole thing begins to fill in with a cold front. So some scattered valley rain showers are possible Saturday afternoon with increasing wind, but there could be some mountain snow showers with this as well. The model not showing a lot of moisture here, but there could be at least a little bit of off and on wet weather, and minor snow accumulations are possible, but mainly at higher elevations, especially down along the Montana, Idaho, Wyoming state line. But again, I'm not expecting a lot of significant travel difficulties with this, but a touch of snow is possible Saturday evening into Sunday. So right now, Butte, you're sitting under some hazy sunshine out there right now with some high thin clouds aloft. 53 your high today, and 13 was the overnight low for Butte, and those are close to normal lows, but well above normal on the high. Same for Bozeman. 54, a good 10 degrees plus on the normal side for a high temperature, but right on target for an overnight low. We're sitting at 48 degrees and generally looking at high thin clouds aloft. So right now, temperatures are in the 40s and 50s here locally. Look at that, it's pushing very close to 60 degrees in Missoula, and central and eastern counties a touch cooler, but these are still mild for this time of the year in the low to mid 40s. So our numbers tonight will fall off into the teens, 20s, and 30s. So quite a mixture of overnight lows. Partly cloudy, light winds planned, not much moisture. For tomorrow, should be a dry day. Temperatures trying to get in the mid to upper 50s, even a few low 60s are possible tomorrow afternoon. That puts us very close to record high levels. Teens, 20s, 30s, and a slightly windier 40. Wow, what a variety of overnight lows for tonight and tomorrow. Upper 40s through the upper 50s, and a few lucky low 60s are in the mix there. And again, unseasonably warm, a touch on the windy side late. So as you look at the extended forecast, we're not going to stay there very long. We could get in the mid 50s ahead of that cold front on Saturday, but increasing showers late in the day, increasing wind here as well. An off and on flurry or two in the morning on Sunday, but definitely a downshift on temperatures. And it's a gradual process. We'll see those numbers slowly climb back up into the 40s and 50s in mostly dry into next week. For Butte, we'll give you a chance for rain showers tomorrow, or not tomorrow, Saturday, and that could change over to snow by Sunday. But look at that, 55 degrees. If you hit 55 tomorrow, that'll be a new record high temperature for you. A little cooler early next week for Dillon. Not a lot of moisture potential with this front, but quite a bit of wind and cloud cover, and some mountain snow showers are possible Saturday into Sunday. And to get up and down temperatures here, but tomorrow's going to be one of the warmer days you'll see out of the next 7. And West Yellowstone, a little bit off and on wet weather Saturday, Sunday, maybe a few flurries Monday and into Tuesday. 30s and 40s for highs and teens and 20s for overnight lows. So that may not sound too bad with a little spring-like weather there, but I'm looking at the forecast models for the middle part of the month of March, and winter will be back a little bit. So we'll keep an eye on that.
All right, Mike, thank you.
All right, Nick Petrochoni's in with sports, and what else? A lot of divisional high school basketball
Eastern
tournaments.
AA, Western AA, Southern B. We have a bunch of highlights to show you, and that's coming up.